Colorful plants at the front door instantly enhance the beauty and luxury appeal of any home entrance. Vibrant flowers and decorative foliage create a warm, welcoming atmosphere while adding elegance and charm. Choosing the right combination of colorful plants not only improves curb appeal but also makes your entryway look lively, stylish, and visually impressive throughout the year. Let's take a look at the best colorful plants to make your front door look attractive and inviting. Hydrangea macrophylla is a stunning flowering plant known for its large, globe-shaped blooms that instantly add elegance and charm to any front door entrance. Available in beautiful shades of blue, pink, purple, and white, hydrangeas create a luxurious and welcoming atmosphere. This plant thrives in partial shade with moist, well-drained soil and regular watering. Its lush green foliage combined with vibrant flowers makes it perfect for decorative pots near entryways. Hydrangeas are ideal for enhancing curb appeal, offering a soft, sophisticated look that complements both modern and traditional home designs throughout the blooming season. Geranium, Pelargonium zonale, is a vibrant flowering plant widely loved for its bright and cheerful blooms that enhance the beauty of any front door entrance. Available in striking shades of red, pink, white, orange, and purple, geraniums create a lively and welcoming atmosphere. This plant thrives in full sunlight and well-drained soil, making it ideal for outdoor pots and containers. Its compact growth and attractive green foliage provide a neat, elegant appearance. Geraniums are low maintenance and long blooming, making them perfect for adding continuous color, charm, and a classic luxury appeal to entryways and home exteriors. Petunia hybrida is a popular flowering plant admired for its vibrant, trumpet-shaped blooms that bring instant color and charm to front door spaces. Available in shades of pink, purple, red, white, yellow, and bicolor varieties, petunias create a bright and welcoming entrance. This plant thrives in full sunlight and well-drained soil, making it perfect for pots, hanging baskets, and decorative containers. Petunias bloom continuously throughout the season, providing long-lasting beauty and freshness. Their cascading growth habit adds softness and elegance, making them an excellent choice for enhancing curb appeal with a lively and luxurious floral display. Caladium bicolor is a striking ornamental foliage plant valued for its large, heart-shaped leaves decorated with vibrant patterns of pink, red, white, and green. Its colorful foliage adds a tropical and luxurious touch to front door entrances, even without flowers. Caladium grows best in partial shade with warm temperatures and well-drained, moist soil. Perfect for decorative pots and shaded entryways, it creates a soft and elegant visual appeal. The bold leaf colors brighten dull corners and complement modern as well as traditional home designs, making caladium an excellent choice for a stylish and welcoming front door display. Impatiens walleriana is a charming flowering plant perfect for adding gentle color and freshness to shaded front door areas. Known for its delicate blooms in shades of pink, red, white, orange, and purple, impatiens create a soft and inviting entrance display. Unlike sun-loving plants, it thrives beautifully in partial to full shade with consistently moist soil. Its compact growth forms a neat mound of flowers that looks attractive in pots and planters. Impatiens bloom continuously, bringing lively color and warmth to entryways, making the space feel welcoming, cheerful, and naturally elegant throughout the growing season. Marigold, Tagetes patula, is a bright and cheerful flowering plant that instantly adds warmth and vibrancy to front door entrances. Known for its rich shades of yellow, orange, and deep red, marigolds create a bold and welcoming visual impact. This hardy plant thrives in full sunlight and well-drained soil, making it ideal for outdoor pots and entryway borders. Marigolds are easy to grow and bloom abundantly for long periods, ensuring continuous color throughout the season. Their compact growth and lively flowers enhance curb appeal while bringing a festive, fresh, and elegant charm to home entrances. Coleus, Plectranthus scutellarioides, is a highly decorative foliage plant admired for its striking multicolored leaves rather than flowers. Its vibrant combinations of red, pink, purple, green, and yellow create a bold and artistic look near front door entrances. Coleus grows well in partial shade with moist, well-drained soil, making it perfect for pots and container displays. The rich leaf patterns add texture and visual depth, instantly brightening entryways. Easy to maintain and fast-growing, Coleus provides long-lasting color and a modern, luxurious appeal, making it an excellent choice for stylish and welcoming front door decor. Begonia, Begonia boliviensis, is an elegant flowering plant admired for its graceful, cascading growth and vibrant blooms that enhance front door decor. Its bright flowers, commonly seen in shades of red, orange, pink, and white, create a lively and welcoming entrance. This begonia thrives in partial shade with well-drained, moist soil, making it ideal for hanging baskets and decorative pots. The slender arching stems filled with colorful blooms add movement and softness to entryways. Begonia boliviensis offers continuous seasonal color and a refined tropical charm, making it perfect for creating a stylish and luxurious front door display. Dahlia, Dahlia pinnata, is a stunning flowering plant celebrated for its large, perfectly layered blooms that bring elegance and dramatic beauty to front door entrances. Available in a wide range of colors including red, pink, yellow, purple, orange, and white, dahlias create a bold and luxurious visual impact. This plant grows best in full sunlight with fertile, well-drained soil and regular watering. Its upright growth and impressive flowers make it ideal for statement pots near entryways. Dahlias add richness, sophistication, and vibrant seasonal charm, instantly enhancing curb appeal and creating a welcoming, eye-catching entrance display. Bougainvillea, Bougainvillea spectabilis, is a vibrant and eye-catching plant known for its brilliant clusters of colorful bracts in shades of pink, purple, red, orange, and white. Perfect for front door entrances, it creates a bold and luxurious tropical appeal. Bougainvillea thrives in full sunlight and well-drained soil, requiring minimal watering once established. Its cascading or climbing growth makes it ideal for large pots, arches, or doorway framing. This hardy plant blooms abundantly for long periods, adding dramatic color and elegance while enhancing curb appeal and creating a warm, welcoming, and visually striking entrance. Hibiscus, Hibiscus rosa sinensis, is a stunning tropical flowering plant admired for its large, vibrant blooms that instantly brighten front door entrances. Available in striking shades of red, pink, yellow, orange, and white, hibiscus adds a bold and luxurious charm to outdoor spaces. This plant thrives in full sunlight with well-drained soil and regular watering. Its glossy green foliage beautifully complements the colorful flowers, creating an attractive display in decorative pots. Hibiscus blooms repeatedly in warm climates, making it an excellent choice for adding continuous color, elegance, and a welcoming tropical appeal to home entryways.